question. Find the equation of the parabola whose end points of the lattice rectum are 4 minus 8 and 4 and 8. Center is 0 and 0 and open rightward. Solution. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a equal to root of 4 minus 4 plus 8 minus 8 the whole square, then 0 square plus 16 square root of equal to 16. Root cancel, the answer is 6. Therefore 4a equal to 16. A equal to 16 by 4 equal to 4. Therefore A equal to 4. The next answer is y squared equal to 4ax. 4 into 4a is 4 into x. Therefore y squared equal to 16x is the answer. The answer is 16x.